Not even 5 minutes in the hike. Already got the boots wet. Every time. Not only is this mission gonna result in us getting to like an absolutely insanely epic waterfall, but the creek we're following up to get there is absolutely pristine. Like it's one of the best creeks I've ever walked up. The water is that clear. In the deep sections, you can hardly even see the water. You just see straight through it like glass. It's absolutely unbelievable. Over here on my favourite place in the entire planet, Hinchinbrook Island. You can see this waterfall when you're cruising around the island in a boat, but from pretty much any other vantage point, like from the mainland, you can't see it, and that's what keeps it hidden. So there's absolutely no form of marked trails or tracks or anything that lead up to this waterfall. Like, the waterfall is just virtually unexplored. The best way I know to find my way up to a hidden waterfall is I go out and I find out as much information I can from real life observation, and then I relate that to what I can see on topographic maps and study them and find the creeks that lead up to it. So then I can come out here and I can look at the topo maps and I know which creek I need to be on and follow that up. Right now we're on the creek that we need to be on to get up to the falls, so we just got to keep following this creek up, rock hopping for a couple of hours, and we should get to the base of the falls if everything goes well. Every time you go around the next corner, there's a nice water hole or something amazing. This creek is just absolutely unreal. We've been keeping track of ourselves on topo maps, and so far so good. We've been going the exact right way we need to go the whole time. Just checked it again now, and we're only 400 meters away from the base of the falls, so I'm stoked as we're nearly there, and I'm getting pumped to see this waterfall, get some sick shots and just chill out. Holy! That's sick! What? It's fucking huge. Look at the size of it.
You could easily get up that.
Oh, that's insane. We got to try and get to the top or what?
Yeah, I reckon so.
Like try and get up the side or something. What?
Fucking God.
This is insane. There's probably some like mad as infinity pool up there.
Must be, I reckon there's a hole just where the things are coming there.
Yeah, there's that mini waterfall, and then the water hole bit above that. The bottom of the main one. Fuck. That's one of the best waterfalls I've seen. Righto, now it's my turn to head up to the top of this waterfall, head up where Mick is. Got to scramble up the side of it, it's a bit of a mission, but I'm so keen to get up there and see what it's like. Yeah, it's a bit of a scrub bash to get up there. It's definitely going to be worth it though. Just got to punch your way up the side here, through all this vegetation. Bit of wait a while here and there, but that's alright, we can handle it. No, can't go that way. I'm not exactly sure how Mick got up there, I just know that he's up there. And he didn't take all that long, so it can't be too bad. There's all this shit you gotta just charge through, like just stomp on it, push it down, punch your way through it. And out here in the bush, people always ask me, like, do you worry about snakes? Well, snakes, you can't worry about them. You never get anywhere in the bush. You just gotta accept the fact that if they're there, they're there. And you gotta just, if you see one, leave it alone. See Mick's tracks here. So he went up this way, so I'm gonna follow where he went. Mark is so thick in here. Gonna have to put the camera away. This is fucking sick! This is unreal. We're going to try and get to the top of this big waterfall. I don't know how it's going to go. We've sussed out a bit of a ridge up the side of it. We think we'll probably be able to get up there. I'm pretty confident we'll make it. Bit of a scrub bash to get up this one, that's for sure. I reckon we had left now, eh?
Yeah.
We've made it. Now we just got to go get over near the edge and check it out. Hey, someone got service?
Fuck no.
There it is. Woohoo! That's the edge of the waterfall over there.